This morning I'm making lamb and hummus pita pizzas using Danny's Pita Breads, a tasty alternative to traditional pizzas. I'll be using lamb, onion, garlic, hummus, tomatoes, pine nuts, some herbs and spices and the Danny's Pita Breads for my bases. First step, I'll heat some lamb. I've got 250 grams here into a hot pan. You could use diced or minced. And I'm going to chop up an onion. Go. Also going to be using a clove of garlic, so I'll chop that up in a second as well. Right, they're chopped into the pan with our lamb that's browning. Give that a quick stir through. I'm going to add in some herbs and spices. These are straight from my cupboard. I've got a teaspoon of cumin, that's going to go in. I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add them in here. And I've got about 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. And also going to add a good generous pinch of salt. I'm going to chop up some tomatoes now, about 1/2 cup of tomatoes. Right, 1/2 cup of tomato, that's going to go into the pan too. Slice in these ones. And that's going to keep cooking down until those tomatoes really soften through. Stir this round. Also going to add in 1/2 cup of water. I'll just pour this in here. I'm going to leave this to cook down. For a pop of freshness, I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon or 2 of fresh lemon juice. And we'll just keep this simmering away. So while that's simmering away, I've got some pine nuts here, about 1 tablespoon. I'm just going to lightly toast them off, because they are delicious, just sprinkled on top of the pita pizzas at the end. Nice and simple. Danny's Pita Breads, you can just pop these into the toaster if you like. I'm going to grill these ones, just want to toast them for 1 minute or 2 each side. There we go. It's too easy really. On top of our warm pita breads, I am going to spoon a little bit of hummus. International Hummus Day today. There we go. On top of this, we are going to spoon our finished lamb mixture, which is smelling and looking delicious. There we go. On top of this, I've got a little bit of chopped up feta, which gives it an extra creamy taste. This is optional, you don't need to add the feta, but why not, I say. I've got parsley here. There we go, just a little bit. And the pine nuts too. Don't these look nice? Yum. Right, I'm going to finish making up the rest. We'll have the full recipe as always on the Cafe Facebook page. For more recipe ideas and the chance to win a Danny's Pita Bread hamper, head to pitabread.co.nz.